Welcome back to Bazaar Repairs. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clone a hard drive and then install it into your laptop using the easeUS software. Really good software, works pretty well. Takes a little while, but you guys will enjoy this, so stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is install the easeUS software. I have the free version on a flash drive right here that I downloaded already. So let's just go ahead and then start that installation, which I have right here. I'll just run it from here, let it install. Okay, we'll select English. Just go through your prompts here. Okay, hit accept and next, and create a desktop icon. I'm going to uncheck the join the customer experience. No, thank you. Okay, this is going to set up. Be right back when this finishes. Okay, the installation is finishing up. Just go ahead and select finish. I'm going to close this box here and eject my flash drive. Okay, now that the program is installed, the next thing I want to do before we start anything is I'm going to hook up the hard drive using this cable here. You can see it. So this will plug directly into the hard drive, and this plugs into the USB. Let's do that now. Make sure this is in a USB 3 port, so it'll be faster. Okay, then you're going to want to go down to the search function. Type in disk, and you should see a section that pops up here. Create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and click on that. Should pop up, and that is right here. Okay, it's going to ask you must initialize a disk before logical disk management can access it, and we're going to say okay. GPD is fine. Okay, now under disk management we can see that disk 1 has been initialized and the space is unallocated, which is fine. We can just leave it like that and close this out. Now let's go over to the easeUS. Select yes. Okay, in the bottom left hand side we're going to select system clone. Alright, now we're going to select our target, which is down here. And hit proceed. Okay, this is going to start the cloning process. I'll be back when this is finished. Alright, we're just checking back in. 5 minutes have passed. We're at 33%. Everything is going alright. I'll be right back. And we are done. So it looks like 22 minutes is all the time it took. This can vary depending on your computer speed and how much stuff you have on your hard drive. This hard drive didn't have too much on it, so yeah, 20 minutes is all it took. I've done one of these before on a really slow computer that took like 18 hours. So just to give you a reference point there. So now the next step is to shut this computer down, disconnect the hard drive here, and install it into this machine. And I'll be showing you guys that next. Stay tuned.